are back with Wakia.
Hey, Wakia.
And
Hello, ladies.
Carolina.
The beautiful ladies in pink. You look
You
beautiful.
Yes,
do
and
as
so do
well. So do
You
you.
do
you.
too. Well, thank you, thank you, thank
She's going to bring
you.
us the care break. So, what you got for us today?
Well, today, household task.
Okay.
This is your care break. Reminding everyone that small breaks can create a big relief. On top of caregiving, you're also running the household. You're doing laundry. You're doing grocery. We cleaning. We paying bills. It never ends. Sometimes those tasks can take over your day. You don't have time to breathe. Here's your break. Outsource where you can.
Hmm.
Try grocery delivery, accepting help from friends, or use a laundry service here and there. Use that extra time to sit, relax, and just breathe. It really helps. Remember, Monique, you're so cute. Remember, lighten up your load at home, give you more strength to carry on. So lighten up that
Absolutely.
load at home. It really helps. It gives you more strength to carry on.
All right, now
All
this
right.
the
Okay.
care break because
All
a
right.
lot
Yes, it
of people
is.
again definitely need breaks throughout the day. You get burnt out before
Mm-hmm.
you even
Yes,
know it. Now you in the hospital,
Yep.
that's right.
you
That's right.
The
definitely
caretaker's in the
Mm-hmm.
hospital.
right. The
Yeah.
caretaker that's giving the
Yeah.
caregiving, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then the
Yes,
hospital can't run because you're in the hospital, and nobody don't know how to do what you do because you're the one to do it. Right. And there's so
Right.
much going on, but we thank you so
yes.
much for bringing this segment to us every week, the care break, because it is necessary. So thank you, and we love you out there in South Carolina.
Well,
Yeah.
thank you. I love you ladies more. Have a great evening.
All
All
right, you
righty.
too.
Bye bye.
Okay.